Hello guys, welcome back in today's crypto technical analysis. Today we do a multiple time frame analysis for BTC and Ethereum. We're also going to touch Total 3, where you're going to exclude BTC and Ethereum market cap, and you will end up with the rest of the altcoin market cap. And I'm going to touch another altcoin which I shared recently via Twitter. Let's start from BTC and the weekly time frame. We had another beautiful candle on the weekly time frame. So as I said, the levels are clear. Resistance levels 31,800 and 32,000 is your weekly resistance, followed by 33,200 and 36,000 are going to be your Fibonacci level. So I'm expecting a little bit of pullback and then claim based on a lower and mid time frame that the resistance levels I'm expecting to go all the way up to, in the first place, 34,000 followed by $36,000. And these levels, by the way, I gave beginning of this year, the first video of the January. As I said, as long as we're going to stay above 17,800 and 18,000, as I said, we're going to end up, that's the midterm target, was at 36,000. But before that, I gave $30,000, 32, and then followed by 34, and then $36,000. However, based on a daily time frame, as you remember, trend change came at around 19,200 and 19,500 without getting an exit signal. Even with this dump, we had a bullish consolidation and then V-shaped recovery, and as you can see, we saw massive 60% pump in the market. However, if you're DCAing or buying from the support that once we lost 17,500 on my pin tweet, that you can refer on my pin tweet, we saw another massive nearly 80% pump in the market, and we're not done yet. Daily time frame and mid-high time frames are heavily under the bull's control. Moving on to a daily time frame, there is not much to cover on the daily time frame, as long as I'll cover based on a 4-hour time frame. The local support, it's highly likely at the moment, it looks strong. We hold this level, and in the coming days, claiming this resistance, as I said, first target $32,000 followed by 34,000 is going to be the next target level. As I said, daily time frame is heavily under the bull's control. There is no need to panic and cover the daily time frame support level. However, as I said, 19,200 and 19,500 gave a bullish setup without getting a bearish setup based on a daily time frame. We saw 61% with a current price action over 50% pump in the market. Moving on with the total 3 analysis, we're following the same chart. Mid of last year, August 2022, we reached and cleared all the target levels, as you see. And in the last update that I said, this is a consolidation level, 365 billion and 400 is going to be consolidation level. And you have to be careful with your altcoins. So as you see, there was a choppy in the altcoin market. So I'm expecting a bit of pullback on the local support and a massive trend change based on a daily and a 4-hour time frames. So I'm expecting in the coming days and weeks, I'm expecting the price action to test 440 billion, as long as we're going to stay above the daily and we are safe, and altcoin market will start pumping. Moving on with the ETH analysis. If you want to see the recent trades, you can refer to the recent videos. Once we broke 1300, that was a first pump over 25%. And during even in this choppy environment, we had a 12.5%. And then the next one was massive 15% dump in the market. However, if we're going to analyze the current condition, claiming these levels are going to give us target number 1, 1771, higher time frame Fibonacci level, followed by 1912. That's going to be Fib level number 2. Also, I explained in the recent videos that 2100 is going to be the target number 3. So we cleared the target number 3 based on a swing setup. As I said in the last video, as long as we stay above this level and claim the next target is going to be $2,300 and all the way up to $2,350. So these are the important levels, and you can expect a further 10 to 12% pump in the market. So far, swing setups are open, and you have to be aware of, as long as we're going to be above this level, this Fibonacci level, the swing setups are safe. Before we move on to further analysis, if you want to learn all these technical analysis, what I'm showing, and if you want to become an independent professional trader, or you're interested in the institutional trading system, you can message me via Telegram at Magnate8, where you're going to learn how to become profitable and professional trader in the market. A 101 intense masterclass is available, and it only takes you 10 hours to master this all. And during the course, you will learn day trading, scalping, swing, and as well as the long-term as an investor trading systems. This is another setup, one against the dollar. So mid-high time frame, as I said, breaking out. And as soon as we had a breakout from this trade based on a mid-higher time frame, we saw another massive pump in the market, 10%. So I'm expecting, in the first place, that's the target number 1, 15% plus, all the way up to the last target level, 40% nearly pump. So this is a spot, by the way, and then stop losses and the target levels are clear on this chart. As long as we stay above this level, the coin is still safe, and we might see a little bit of consolidation, as I said, based on a total 3 and the target number 1 all the way up to target number 4. Moving on with a BTC analysis on the 4-hour time frame. If you're enjoying the contents, like and subscribe to the channel. BTC 1-hour time frame under the bear's control, 2-hour went back under the consolidation as soon as we lost this level. However, 4-hour time frame is still under the bull's control, but with one condition: within the 48 hours we have to stay above. Ideally, 48 to 72 hours we have to stay above this yellow line, which is a 29,770, and claiming the resistance at around 30,200. That will provide another bullish setup. In the first place, clearing local resistance, that's going to be this level, which is going to be 31,000, and all the way up to $32,000 is going to be the next level. So based on a higher time frame Fibonacci, as you remember, the next level is going to be $33,000 plus. So currently, these two levels are extremely important, the orange line and the current support line. As long as we're staying above this red line, which is an important $28,783, the 4-hour time frame will be safe, and we can see a bit of consolidation and further pump in the market. However, losing this level, the red one, which is slightly early for us to talk about it, target number 1 is going to be 28,000 and followed all the way up to $27,200. As I said, it is slightly early for us to talk about this yellow line. I'm expecting a bit of consolidation and then claim this resistance and we'll go further up. So far from the BTC, as I said, for the swing setups, we saw decent pump in the market. That's over 9%. So without getting an exit signal, as I said, this is a very important level for the swing setup, and keep an eye on these levels. We came to an end of this episode, and if you guys enjoyed it, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.